Hey everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video you will see that how to calculate variance of uh, discrete frequency distribution. So let's get started. You can also follow my social media pages. Now see that question is given that calculate variance using formula this one, where variance of x is 1 upon capital N summation from I is equal to 1 to n fi di square minus 1 upon n summation from I is equal to 1 to n fi di square, where di is deviation from assumed mean. Now let us solve this problem. That means find out the variance using this formula, and concept would be clear. So let's see that. So here xi, that is observations, fi their frequencies. Now if you add all n, that means sum of all frequencies, that would be 217. Now first of all, let us take assumed mean, which is 6.5. We can take any, but try to take which is very close to mean, so that deviation would be very less. So deviation di is equal to xi minus 6.5. That means you will subtract 6.5 from each observation and you will get this one. Now you will calculate di square, because you will require, where you will require in the formula, you can see that here you will require fi di square. Now yes, so di's values would be 9 if you square minus this, so 9 4 1 0 1 2, not 2, square up to 4 9. Thereafter multiply fi with di's, so you will get this one, and if you add them, so you will get 128. Thereafter fi di square, and these values would be this. These values are listed here, and you will add them. So that would be sum of fi di square from I to n. So this is 362. Now let us see the formula. So formula is given here, and we have here fi di square. So we have calculated. Thereafter fi di, here we have calculated. So we are going to calculate variance. So variance is, you can see that, just plug the whole values, all the values. So here this one and this one, and variance would be 1.321. Just plug all the values. So hope you have understood this concept. In upcoming videos I will also bring concept related to variance and many problems, and as I always tell that variance concept is very important in statistics, data science, data analytics and artificial intelligence. machine learning, and other finance related subjects or field. So you can understand the importance of variance and keep practicing numericals related to variance. Hope you have understood this concept. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.